What is a bathroom vanity? Benefits, uses, and why every bathroom needs one. Dear friends, a vanity is one of the most essential elements in a bathroom. It usually consists of a cabinet combined with a sink, designed to store daily essentials while also enhancing the overall look of the space. In simple words, a bathroom vanity replaces a basic sink by offering storage, style, and better functionality. Vanities come in many designs, such as wall-mounted, freestanding, single sink, and double sink options. One major benefit of a vanity is organized storage. It helps keep toiletries, towels, and cleaning supplies neatly arranged, reducing clutter and making the bathroom look clean and spacious. Another key advantage is improved aesthetics. A well-designed vanity can instantly upgrade the appearance of your bathroom, giving it a modern, luxurious, or minimal look depending on the style you choose. Vanities also offer better functionality. With built-in countertops and storage drawers, daily routines like brushing, shaving, or skincare become more convenient and comfortable. Durability is another benefit. Most vanities are made from moisture-resistant materials, making them suitable for humid bathroom conditions and ensuring long-term use. Additionally, a vanity can increase property value. A stylish and functional bathroom vanity adds appeal to your home and makes a positive impression on buyers. In conclusion, a vanity is more than just a sink cabinet. It combines storage, style, and practicality, making your bathroom more organized, attractive, and efficient. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.